The mountains. Filmmaking is not about the movie itself or your gear. It's about telling a story, creating memories, expressing emotions, or to visualize thoughts. When creating travel films, you should be careful that you don't stick to your camera too much. You should enjoy the moment just as much as the result you see when you're done editing. The mountains never really interested me. That changed when my passion for filmmaking became bigger and bigger. And even though the gear has no effect on the story that you're telling, with the right setup, you're given the opportunity to not just remember, but let landscapes look even better than what you see with your own eyes.